On too much politics. I talked with the security guard of Baham Hernando that who were friends of them. I say that Baham is posting about his picture of himself. I know he likes Sara Duterte. He posted in Facebook. Oh, he shared it. Oh, he shared the news. But for Baham Hernando, he has to be neutral. Oh, like I said to you, Cedric Mariano. Oh, we have to be neutral. We should not talk about politics. The Marcoses or the Marcos family are talking about politics. Oh, we should never talk about politics. I say to everyone, I say to the followers of Cedric Mariano, please all of you do not bully Kuya Rodelio Daguman, ha? Just want to say to everyone, to say to everybody, we need to learn how to respect their own opinion. Oh, like I say to you, Cedric Mariano, oh, the only the focus is you focus on art. You can focus on your drawing. I am urging to everyone who are followers of Cedric Mariano, oh, if you make Cedric Mariano proud of his drawing and arts, oh, do not criticize Kuya Rodelio Daguman. Do not bully Kuya Rodelio because I know he's a cerebral palsy. I know he's an anti-Marcos. I know he's a pro-Duterte. I know he's working in the City Hall at Muntinlupa. I know he's busy. He was busy in his virtual artist. Oh, and also he's busy to do what he works when he find his own job. Do not bully Kuya Rodelio Daguman. Like I say to all of you, mahiya ka naman sa pamilya ni Kuya Rodelio. Oh, even his brother, Robin, his sister, who is married to an American, who is a foreigner, even to everyone. I am saying to all of you, do not bully Kuya Rodelio Daguman. That is called misunderstanding. The time what is a cyberbullying is misunderstanding. Oh, like I say to Cedric, just stop already and focusing your art, focusing your drawing. That Facebook page of Kuya Rodelio Daguman, that's not really him. And that picture of Sara Duterte, that's not really him. Oh, I was told by Roylan Marlang, hindi po yan si Kuya Rodelio Daguman. Oh, what's the problem about Kuya Rodelio Daguman? That he likes Sara Duterte. Oh, he likes Rodrigo Duterte. Oh, that he is anti-Marcos. He doesn't like Bongbong Marcos. What's the opinion? Oh, what's the opinion? Please, all of you, respect Kuya Rodelio Daguman's opinion. Just let him be. Stop invading his privacy. It's really hurt and it's really cyberbullying. If I were you, to all of idiot Marcos loyalists there, like Sangkay Janjan, Nino Barsaga, and Romeo TV Vlog, and Job Magno, all of you, please, all of you, do not invade the privacy of Kuya Rodelio Daguman and even Thinking Pinoy. Do not invade the privacy of Kuya Rodelio Daguman. Remember, Kuya Rodelio Daguman is working very hard, working to do whatever he best to everybody. Like I said before, do not bully Kuya Rodelio Daguman. He doesn't have a dog. He doesn't have a mother. Look at his mother. She's already dead. Look at his pet dog. His dog passed away. His dog is already dead too. And what I realized, his dog died already. What really happened is, his dog had passed away just because of distemper. Eh, what's the problem? Do not compare Kuya Rodelio Daguman to to the to the daughter of Kim Atienza, name name Emma Atienza. You know, Kuya Kim Atienza, he lost his daughter, Emma Atienza. Just remember, Emma Atienza died of suicide just because of cyberbullying. And I don't want to be happen to Kuya Rodelio Daguman. Ayoko mangyari to kay Kuya Rodelio Daguman if he never want to be happen just like Emma Atienza. So please, all of you, those Marcos loyalists who were fake Filipinos, stop bashing Kuya Rodelio Daguman. Tantanan mo na siya. You know, he has his own opinion.